welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Devonsia, and I am back here again with more gems. We are keeping this consistency up. I'm gonna rant for a little bit, but then I'm going to get into what we're dealing with today. By the title, you know that we're showing you our at-home self-care, our at-home regimens, how we spend our me time, my home care, self-care routine, and we're going to get into the meat of the matter because then y'all have been requesting this for a while, but then due to the fact that I was pregnant and mommy life and all of that, opportunity has presented itself for me to do this now. So we're gonna just jump into the video. So right next to me I have my kettle with hot water, and I have some goodies here. So before I get into what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to explain to you all the items that I have here and how you can get them if it is that you need to purchase these items. The first thing that I have is our handmade, locally handmade, handcrafted organic soap, and this could be used to wash your lady bits, body, face, everything. It has natural essential oils and shea butter, coconut oil, all them nice things. So, and rather than stripping your body of the natural oils and all of that and leave your skin and your lady bits feeling dry, this has oils that will help to keep the oils in your skin, the healthy oils, and you know, so your skin is moisturized, so you don't look like you've been soaking in salt after you use this. The next item that we have is our handcrafted organic. Anybody can drink this because it's organic. Anybody can drink this because it is organic. There's nothing in there to give you a runny belly or anything like that. It's just a cooling, calming tea, so you can have this in the morning. If you wake up at about 5:30 or whatever, you just wake up to spend some you time, it's good to get a cup and brew you some tea. Or in the nights before you go to bed, this is a tea that you want to have, honey. This is a tea you want to have. So you can cup your tea. The next item that we have here is the goods, and that is what this looks like. This is our Yoni steaming herbs, and this is one of the package. There is another size that we have, the smaller size, and I will show you what that looks like in a bit because that's the one that I'll be using. And yes, by now you have guessed it, we're going to be steaming today. So if it is that you've never steamed or you want to know what it feels like to steam your yoni, I'm going to be doing it firsthand here on the camera for you so that you can see, and then you can capitalize and purchase these herbs. In a bit I'll tell you how it is all done. And also my babies, these are my rose quartz Yoni eggs. These are used for strengthening the pelvic walls and tightening your vagina and pelvic muscles. And trust me, sis, after you popping out babies, you want to keep your body in order. You want to help strengthen your pelvic and your cervix, and you want to help to keep the kitty tight. Sis, we're clenching all 2020 and beyond, so stay tuned. Okay, as promised, I'm here and I'm going to show you what it is that I'm going to be using to steam. I'm already dressed in my flowy dress. I am ready now to just set up, and I will show you what I am going to use today. This is my steaming apparatus, and I was given this at the hospital. So if it is that you have a baby and you have one of these, you can steam in this. If you don't have one of those, is a bowl that you can use. It is a stainless steel bowl. They come in several different sizes, and this is just something that you can put your water in, put your herbs in, and squat over, or you can place it into your toilet, your clean toilet, as long as your your yoni will be exposed over it so that the steams can rise and enter into your yoni, you should be good. Or if you want to get something a little bit bigger that you can rest on, probably a bucket or somewhere where you can sit comfortably and enjoy yourself, enjoy the experience for 10 to 20, even 25 minutes, that would be good. But for today, I have my sits bath, that's what they call it, and I have it seated onto a bucket, so you know I'll be sitting comfortably. And if this card is distracting to you guys, it's because I'm not in a sitting position, and I want you guys to be able to can hear me, that my mic is showing. So for now, I'm going to pour my hot water into the bath, and you need just about a cup or two. And then these are my herbs that I'll be using. This is the smaller portion. I'm going to open it, and this blend has a mixture of with what I am steaming to achieve. It smells really great, and I'm now going to lift this up so that you can see, and I'm going to pour it in, and I'll show you guys what it looks like now being in there. And you see, I have a generous amount, so you can get 2 steams out of this small bag. So compared to this bag, if you can get 2 out of that, imagine the amount that you can get out of this. I have now added my herbs, and sorry that you can't see me, but based on the position of my camera, this is why. So I'm going to feel it, test it to see if the heat is okay, and it's at a manageable heat that I can manage to sit over it. I'm going to position my dress so that when I sit, it is not letting the steam out. And I'm going to sit and have my dress flow over me to trap in the heat. And ladies, the magic has already begun. When you first experience that heat, that steam going up to you in your vagina, is like, yes, that's when you know that it's working. You need your feet to be spread apart to enjoy the bliss of the steam doing its job, going up, making its way up. And I'm going to just sit. I'm going to skip this video quickly by, so we don't waste no time, and I'm going to enjoy some tea. You can't see the steams, but while I'm still steaming, as you can see, I am sweating. The heat is on. This detoxing is taking place live and direct, so you can see this. And after a year and 2 months, I am now back sitting comfortably on my throne. I'm sliding. Oh yes. So now I'm still enjoying my tea. So it's heat all around, but it is lovely. The feeling is awesome. So let me now spill the tea on y'all. With Yoni steaming, if you know that you have bad menstrual cramps, steaming is the thing for you, sis. I can tell anybody, I can testify hands down about what Yoni steaming has done for me, where my period and my cramps are concerned. I used to suffer with menstrual cramps that every month I made sure to stock up on my Advil gel because pain was not my friend. Pain is still not my friend. I cannot manage pain. Pregnancy level is at an extreme low. I managed to go through childbearing, labor and delivery successfully, so it's not that badly off, but my period pain was a different type of pain that I could not manage. So Yoni steaming is something that helped me, and it is still helping me because sometimes I want to throw my hands up in the air and I'm like, Jesus, help me, because this is not for me. But Yoni steaming has made it a lot better. Sometimes I feel no period pain, no menstrual cramps, nothing at all. Sometimes, I'm not going to say sometimes it makes it disappear totally, but it's slight. Sometimes I'll feel a 1 and 2 slight cramp, like, you know, that you're still on a period, but it's not nothing that you have to run and pop some pills for. The next thing, it also, Yoni steaming helps with keeping you wet. It keeps moisture in your vagina. So if you're someone who is suffering from menopause, or you just suffer from a dry vagina, you want to try steaming. It keeps you wet naturally, and it makes you more juicy, so your partner will enjoy it. You will enjoy it because, sis, it's not something that, you know, you have to wear a panty liner for, because, you know, it's not wet that you're running and stuff like that. No, it's a healthy type of wet, if that makes any sense. Also, if you suffer with hemorrhoids, child, and you know that is uncomfortable, and you don't have any preparation age or anything to, you know, ease the pain, get some water, sis. Or guys, warm your water, put your herbs in and sit down. Allow your anus to be exposed to the heat, and let the steam help to relieve the issues that you're having where hemorrhoids is concerned. If it is that you have clotted blood, ladies, inside that needs to come out, the steam will break it down. That also helps with your period, womb, and your birth canal after childbearing. It helps to calm you. It helps to detox your vagina. If you have, or you suffer, ladies, we suffer and we get chronic yeast infections easily with the slightest things, as a lace underwear, tight jeans, not being able to release ourselves when we want to urinate. And some of us, we can't pee any and everywhere because then we have to watch these bathrooms and the sanitary practices that some places or people practice with their bathroom health and stuff like this. So sometimes we're forced, or we're not in a position to relieve our bowels, and sometimes that causes yeast infections. And all of these chronic yeast infections, you don't have to run and go and get antibiotics and all these things to put into your vagina or take to put into your body to get over chronic yeast infections. You can steam your vagina and get the same result. If per adventure you use a particular type of soap and it changes your pH balance, because our pH balance in our vagina can change and go, it fluctuates ever so often and very easily. Steaming can help to regularize your pH balance, and sis, you need it. This is not just to make sure that you buy from me, because then if it is that you know 10 people that sell Yoni steam, you can find a blend that works for you. And hey, You can research and go and source your own herbs. But if it is that you want to support sis and you want to cop your steam, I got you. I got you. Sis, if it is that you are not steaming, ladies, what are you waiting on? Baby, get on it. Get on it, because you don't know what you're missing. You don't know what you're missing. And this tea, heavenly. Don't let nobody tell you about it, sis. Come, let D show you what it's all about. Come, let I tell you what it is all about. So if it is that you want to contact me about how you can purchase your steam, you can follow me on Instagram and DM me, or you can email me, or I will link my website down below that you can go and purchase yours. If you're in the Antigua area, we do offer delivery and pickup, so you can come and get yours, sis. And trust me, steaming is something that you want to get done. So it's about 25-30 minutes. I mean, there's still warmth in my water. I can still sit here for the next 5 minutes and enjoy, but I need to go and lay down now because I'm sweating like a sinner in church, as the term says. You can see that sweat is all on my hands, so you know my Yoni steaming be lit. See how I'm juicy? This is just up this area, so imagine down here, sis. Imagine my lady bits, sis. We be on and popping area. Yes, so that has brought us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my self-care routine, and if it is that you enjoy this, please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, go and watch some videos, share a video, help your sis, because then your support means a lot to me. And see you again on Sunday with the next banging video. Bye.